New package. It has to be a Hanomag tractor. Very old fashioned Hanomag tractor. Let's open it up and see what we've got inside. I am opening it. So that's just solid sellotape right there. It's being awkward. Well, the sellotape's been overlapped and it's not letting me rip it open. Unfortunately, I've got the sellotape underneath that I'm pulling out. As you can see, oh god damn it! Wait, that doesn't get on the screen. Sorry about it. Right, as you can see, that sellotape is actually underneath, and that's the sellotape that I'm pulling on. Hopefully, it will slide out and come apart. Yeah, it's getting there. I can actually reach this bit of tape now. Let's see if I can undo the overlap. Still not letting me. Whoever's taped this up has done this really, really well. There is a bit of sellotape there. If I can just get that to rip that bit of paper, it should be able to get in. It's not doing it. Pull this one a bit more and get it to. I don't know why. Right, no, ah, there we go. Now we're in. Oh, we're in the box now. We are going to open that there and open up the lid. Over the lid opens. I think it's taped down here. Yeah, it's taped down. Now it should open. Voila! We are in. So we have a load of tissue around it. And it is my Hanomag tractor. Jesus Christ, that is tiny.
There are moments when you just know that this is great. It's in a look.
I will be doing a review of all my collection because I have found other movable parts on some of the other new stuff. And probably show how it functions. Now we have a problem. This is not just standard. This is brand new in the box. This hasn't even been opened.
Cozy enough to solve whodunit on great TV. We may not be detectives, but we can solve this crime. The great channels have
You can see how it opens.
and you can have them
But once you open this, you cannot close it back up.
Come find your great.
No, you can't lock it back into place like it is now.
Save over
breaking the box.
on a
How to open this?
water tap in Ren's Black Friday specials. The Great Renovation.
Seconds.
I want to open it without damaging the box. So I'm trying to
Seen
avoid.
it firsthand in Gaza, in Syria, in Sudan. As conflicts continue to spread across the world, it's crucial we can act fast. As an MSF doctor, I I may need to stop life-threatening people, treat gunshot
already
wounds,
damaged
or
the
care
box.
for blast victims. All
I'm going to try a new approach. I'm going to pause the video a minute. I'm back in a second or two to try and open this. Alright, I'm back. I have a screwdriver here. We are going to try and lift this clip open on this box. Once I open this clip, it will not be able to be clipped back together, I don't think. I can do that side, it's not letting me.
Learn the value of money. They can earn money through chores, receive pocket money set by you, create savings goals that stick, and spend on their card. Sign up to get your paws on a Paddington and Peru card today in cinemas November 8th.
No, this is solidly sealed. Oh, I've got it. Alright.
What's wrong with the car?
If I lock that in now again, I'll put that back in so it's closed. That will not lock. I can actually now just pull that open. I didn't realise that the package is locked in. Well, I haven't damaged the box. And we are now getting this tractor out of the box. So that. Oh, look at that. Oh, the suspension manoeuvrability is awesome. Oh, sorry. So it's got quite good manoeuvrability. You can tell that that's an old-fashioned tractor. It's got the tow hitch at the back here. It's got quite neat look to it. Steering wheel's a bit close to the seat.
I'm sorry it took so long.
I can't understand why they wanted to meet this late.
Well, you know TV people.
What do they talk about?
Nothing worth telling now.
But it still looks decent.
So you don't think that capitalism in the theater really work, right, Comrade? Mr. Hart, an office exists for art, not for profit. Yeah, Comrade, Mr. H.
One of the wheels is slightly off target. It's supposed to actually be halfway between the tyre on the tread. You can see there's a cracked line down the middle. As you can see, that one's almost in place, but this one, where the little dots are on the thing, are almost close together, where on this one you can see that they're slightly spaced out, so I'm going to need to pack around with this. So, I just took that apart. This wheel should be able to fall apart or twist.
Well, I am sorry. What you were saying?
Yes, I was right.
It's a shame we don't.
So now I'll put the tread
You know, by the
in
way,
the correct place.
already my set time in the West. But unfortunate for me, it's not often
It's
either.
not
Why did I?
overly correct, but it's correct enough.
Not at all. Yes, very soon.
And can't see that there. See that the dot is almost smack on in the centre
Yes.
on this side of a blank one, and the dot on the other side in the centre of that one. That's how it's supposed to be. It is slightly off. I'm not actually happy with that, so we are going to do it again.
Oh, excuse me. Just catching
What I mean about it being able to split, I'm going to actually look carefully this time. Make sure that it sits in
has been terrible torture.
where I want it to. Yes, I have it perfect this time.
See you in class tomorrow?
Oh no, I don't think so. I'm going back and being a patron.
You can see that the dot on the one side of the wheel is smack on in the centre of the blank part, and there's a dot on the other side, and so on. It's supposed to be opposite to each other as in a tyre tread.
It was nice being.
Now, as you can see on this one, the dot. Yeah, this one will be easy to show it actually. So just stop that light from shining and put that in the way. It's a bit too dark. But yeah, you can see that then that there's a dot on the one side and there's a dot on the other. They're almost right next to one another, though they're not meant to be. So, same again. Oh, a minute, a piece of paper stuck to me. Oh.
Well, because I did not go. I have taken my decision. I stay in America.
Oh,
You're
no.
defecting? Yes, thank you.
Sorry,
That
bro.
is right. I am defect.
Oh, better out than
Please forgive me for troubling you in this, but I do not know what to do.
Oh, no, it's no trouble. But did you just decide to do this?
No, I have think about for a long time. I want so much to be with Michelle. We are in very much love.
Excuse me, Mr. H, but Ivan the Terrible is downstairs with another Siberian Husky.
The Russian security?
You got it. I don't think they came back for a chaser. They seem to have misplaced
This one's
one of
been
their
not
dances.
moulded correctly.
Kind of will do.
Have a look on this, see if there's that spacage on this one. No. On this, it's a bit of a badly made one, where it's been moulded. It's missed one of the dots off. You can see where the dot is supposed to be. It hasn't missed it, it's just overfolded. No, that's easy to sort out. I need to remove the whole segment of wheel. That's that one.
Mr. Zabin,
Look at
Mr. Rostov has decided to change his residence.
that. Need something
I'm
better than
afraid
that.
that is not permitted. The company is required to stay together in a common hotel.
Try little bar.
I don't think you understood. See, Mr. Rostov has
Alright,
taken
the
refuge.
tread on the tyres not
Refuge. Asylum.
moulded
He
properly.
has taken his
It does
first step
happen with some things.
towards citizenship.
So it's not badly made.
Now, gentlemen,
It's just a misprint. That's the word I was looking for.
Mr. Rath, I realize you're a very influential and important man. But I believe you're outside your jurisdiction aiding a Russian national in such an important matter.
Mr. Zabin,
I've got it so it's
I don't
almost
mean to be
visible.
rude, but you're 10,000 miles outside of your jurisdiction.
Yeah.
Now,
Snap the wheel.
it's getting late. Good night.
You will be hearing from my government.
Mrs. Zabin, you will be hearing from my government.
Oh, good morning, Mac.
I ain't so sure. I feel like I fell in the pickled herring.
It's not as visible as the others.
As a boy,
But you can just make it out.
you're a big step giving up the country.
Well, he's been thinking about it for a long time.
So that'll be fine.
He wants to be with Michelle.
No argument there. That's one
I've
true
lost
little
it.
woman.
They haven't seen each other for 2 years.
Long time between dates.
Try again.
Well,
Let's see if
they're
I can
gonna
get it
make
a
a
bit
lot
more
of
visible than that.
hard dedues together.
Morning, Max.
Morning.
That for me?
You seen me already?
Yeah, I'll be down in a minute. I think he's been on the phone with Michelle.
Oh.
I got it.
Yeah?
Hello. Sidney Marshall, FBI.
Well, have him come up.
Come on out.
That's efficiency for you. I haven't even called him yet.
Maybe that's why they're so good at what they do.
Yeah, got it very visible now. Where's it gone? There. You can actually see the ditch. Even all the black stuff that'll come off. It's just a bit of oil, I think.
Would you sit down?
Thank
It's
you.
a
I
screwdriver.
hope you don't mind, but I have to record this conversation.
But that tyre now should be able to fit too it's
I'm
real.
not quite
I'm
sure
going to go
what the
from a
procedure
different
is, but I
one
assume
that
that once
I
you have
haven't
them in protective
tampered with,
custody, that the KGB can't
so it
touch
all
it.
holds together. But misprints can happen in plastic.
Good morning, Max. How are you?
I've known it to happen with a lot of stuff, not just model
The
vehicles.
FBI is here. Mr. Mitch is anchored with him in the living room.
I've seen misprints on PlayStation pads.
Well, there does seem to be some confusion, Mr. Hunt.
There we
We're
have
not here to take
the wheel
custody, so to speak.
What about political asylum?
That's a problem. If criminal
In its
charges
correct
apply.
proportion.
Criminal charges.
Let's patch it back to the tractor.
Just a minute. Who called you? Didn't Russian security call you? Somebody called us, but they didn't leave their name. About what? The possibility of murder.
Murder? Of whom?
There we have it.
Vladimir,
Just on the top there as well. It's not
Duka-
reading, yeah, it's reading it the right way.
Dukadovsky.
Don't know if you can see it, but it actually says Hanomag.
According to our anonymous
That's what this is.
informant,
It is a Hanomag tractor.
the dancer was stabbed to death
Just
in his
underneath
dressing
that it says
by
Wiki.
Mr. Rostov.
Doesn't say what
One of
region
my
of
men is at
country
the
or
theater
nothing.
right now checking it out.
But all in all, that is actually a nice looking tractor. Very old.
You know, what you're saying is that Yuri supposedly killed Vladimir.
I'd say early 1800, not early 1800s, sorry. Late 1800s, early 1900s.
Mr. Hart, but our informant said I'd find Rostov here. I didn't
Somewhere
want to take a
between
chance of
them
losing him.
areas.
Yes, he's here.
Errors,
He
rather,
spent the
not
night.
areas. Errors.
When was this supposed murder to take place?
But yeah, that's a nice little tractor. Anyway, happy collecting.